a lion. What's wrong with it? Does it lack bravery? What are you complaining about? All body parts are in their places. Oops, it doesn't look like a lion. It looks like a hedgehog. Everything is clear. This is thornius and naturalis. Help remove the thorny objects from the lion's mane. Tap all the thorny objects. Is it a rose stem? Interesting. Who dared to leave its teeth in the lion's mane? Oh gosh, there are some burrs in the lion's mane. That's not good. Only scissors could help here. Tap the scissors and cut all the stuck burrs. Well done! You've removed all the burrs from the lion's mane. Our lion is healthy now, however a little bit less beautiful. But it doesn't matter, you can stroke it again, and now you both even look the same. Don't play with burdocks, a relapse is possible. Relapse means the return of an illness. Next one! Hello, what are you complaining about? Legs? What then? I don't understand. Maybe this is not a problem. Is that it? Did you unlearn how to meow maybe? Or do you have a sore throat? But you can meow very well. Let's study the patient. Everything is clear. Look at its tail. It doesn't have a tail. I think it is a reason of cowardness. Don't worry. We can cure it. Yeah, we need to grow up a new tail. Help repair the ostrich tail. Tap the feathers and make the tail for the ostrich. Wow, what a tail! That's right, the patient is healthy now. Keep calm, please. This is our house, not a sandbox. You need to visit me one more time after all the sand manipulations. Don't try very hard, Scarecrow. Next one. Good evening. Oh, it is evening already. The time goes by so fast. What are you complaining about? About love? I know this problem very well. Earlier, your doll called you mother and told you that it loved you, but now it's only roaring and hissing? Don't worry, the battery is off. We need to change it. Remove the clothes. Remove the shirt. place for batteries. Choose and put the correct battery. Tap the battery which seems to be good. Too small battery. Too weak battery. Too big battery. Yes, this is the exact battery. Let's check. You see, the doll still loves you. Have a nice day. Next one. Hello, Max. You have, as always, two toys in your hands. Who are they? Ladybug and Crocodile? Put your babies on the table. Are they not running and having fun anymore? We need to take them to pieces. Help me take Max's toys to pieces. Tap the ladybug to rotate it. Tap the screwdriver. I knew that. The rope is out. Don't worry, just an ordinary ropius communisautis. We can cure it. Tap the end of the rope. Tap the cover to close the stomach of the ladybug and rotate it. Tap the screwdriver. Tap the ladybug to rotate it. The end of the rope. Well done! It works! Let's repair the crocodile. Repair the crocodile. Tap the crocodile to rotate it. Tap the screwdriver. Crocodile has the same illness. It is very strange. This illness can't be infectious. Tap the end of the rope. Tap the cover to close the stomach of the crocodile and rotate it. Tap the end of the rope. Great! It works! Be more careful, please. Next one. Next one. I seem to have cured all the patients. Yeah! I'm so tired. Bottle with tap water, battery, antiseptic plaster, tweezers, syringe, thread, bottle with soap water. Well done! I am ready to start. Who is the first? Oh, who is it? Help me guess which animal Matilda brought to the hippo doctor. Right! You are so clever! This is a rabbit, but it doesn't have ears. We have identified the friend. Let's make a diagnosis for the patient. If the patient doesn't have ears, it is Noeria Simplius. I prescribe you to sew ears to your friend. Do you have them? There are so many ears. Let's have a look. Choose the ears which you will sew to the rabbit. Well done! I am ready to start. We need to sew them. Help me sew the ears to the rabbit. Tap the thread. Tap the dots that are blinking. The patient is healthy. I'm going to prescribe you vitamins for ears. Take them 3 times a day, after breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Help me choose the correct vitamins. Tap the vitamins with rabbit ears. Tap the vitamins with rabbit ears. Made a correct choice. Be more attentive. These contain not only ears, Next one. So, who is here? Oh, this is a teddy bear. Let's have a look. No eyes is tedious, simply use. It is not so dangerous. We need to find the correct eyes and sew them. Help me find the eyes of the teddy bear in the box with buttons. Find 2 identical buttons and tap them. Tap the thread. Tap the dots that are blinking. I prescribe you not to pull his eyes again. Next one. Oh, what has happened? Is it stung by some unknown bug? This is not good at all. We need to make a vaccine urgently. Help me make a vaccine for the caterpillar. Tap the syringe. Help me disinfect the wounds of the caterpillar. Tap the sterile napkin and disinfect the wounds. Stick every wound with a plaster. Archie, you had 1 caterpillar earlier. Now you have the whole caterpillar train. The caterpillar looks even more beautiful now. Have a nice day. Don't play with unknown bugs. It is dangerous.